how to stop Instagram from tracking your activity. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Instagram from tracking your activity. Let's dive right in. Open up the Instagram app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, go to the three lines in the top right. Now you'll need to head over to Account Center at the top. Now under Account Settings tap on your information and permissions, then you will see your activity of Meta Technologies. Click on that and then at the very bottom tap on Manage Future Activity and then tap on Disconnect Future Activity and hit Continue. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.